not here now. If you tell me.
Very stupid. I have warned you times with that number in this house. Obiora, stay in your space and let me stay in mine. But you wouldn't listen. Alana Pogi, it's not saying no. I can eat go. Eh? Watch out for the one. It's an even go to some cook lie down.
I'm counting 2 for you to leave me alone.
Give me, man.
Even I will shift
I will never leave you.
I will shift your job.
I will dismantle you here.
1, 2.
I will give you a back auto. I will give you a back auto. I will give you a back auto. Mama, what now? Still have to leave me alone.
Stupid man, just making noise. Mama, is this useless thing you call a son? Every time you will be insulting me in this house. Mama, I've had enough.
Appa, just came back to school. Just came back from school now. We started this talk.
Okay, Diago, you have come. Mama, please leave me. Oh, wait, Hembe.
I will shift your job. I will shift your job. Mama, leave me now.
Hey, go. What is going on here?
Don't drive
What is going on here? I am asking you.
They just came back from school now.
I am not starting any trouble. Is this Obalewu? This thing you call a son? Every time you be insulting me in this house, not knowing my position. Enapola
too. Enapola. Drop the cutlass. No. Drop it. Akwadi, you again. Drop the cutlass.
Uriyama no the tire, Uriyama no the doll, Uriyama no the tire. Any work she see, she go do a move. As far as the money go come, to put your food for table. She say what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do. Any work at all, you're my good. Chop it down, no game over. When I do my work, I get my money. I dey hustle for my job, no time to dull at all. Uriyama na hustle life, Uriyama no the rest.
Come.
Are you going out?
Yes, I have an emergency call at the palace. Oh, you are still with a knife. You are still busy in the kitchen.
Yes. But I'm almost done. Why don't you wait and eat before you go to the palace?
No. Please, I will soon be back. Keep my food. Yes.
I hope there's no problem in the palace. Akwadi, come back here.
Mama,
where are you coming from?
I'm so angry right now. I will so deal with her today. Mama, come here, please.
No. Wait. Who is she quarreling with this time?
Nai, if you ask me, who will I ask? Huh?
Where has she been since morning?
You just saw her.
What sense is that? Is she mad? Is she mad to talk about me? Eh, Papa?
Come here, come back.
Odrom called this afternoon. She will get it hot.
And I said you should come back here.
No, don't talk to me.
Nai, if you want a John one, so what a bad name for. If you go one.
She dey work more than a man. She no get time for men. She dey hustle all the way. School fees in a who go pay am. House renting now who go pay money for the feeding now who go bring the money school fees now who go pay
this one.
House renting now who go pay money for the feeding now who go bring the money Rihanna no the tire Rihanna no the tire Rihanna no the tire Any work she see, she go do and go. As far as the money go come, to put in food for table. She say, what man do, man can do. What man do, man can do. Any work at all, you don't have to do. Chop down, game over.
Game over. It don't end. Ma. No change.
Grandma, give me my 600 naira.
I don't get change. No, ma. You know, say I be your best 11. I don't lie for you. No
Grandma,
change,
you're
ma.
owing me 600 naira, and the
Yes,
next
ma.
time I come here, you will give it to me.
I'll be. Okay. Thank you, ma.
She no get time for me. She dey hustle all the way. School fees now who go pay House renting now who go pay money for the feeding now who go bring the money School fees now who go pay
What's it there? It is good. We finally met. Just you and I. So I pity more over here. Nobody's going to separate us. See, Akwadi, I don't have your time this afternoon. Please, get out of my way. I have your time. Listen, Ijeoma, you are going nowhere. You think I did not hear all the rubbish you told my boyfriend about me? Nah, okay for today. I can make you half. You're going nowhere. Bianaya, Akwadi. Biko, NWEKE. I don't know what you're talking about. You should know what I'm talking about, oh! You know everything that I'm talking about. You gossip. Oh, you're silly. If you're in Arobu, going around the village trying to tarnish people's image, you want to tarnish my own? Oman Leloki, you're not going anywhere. Explain to me why you went to my boyfriend's house to tell tales about me. Things that are untrue. Why would you do that? Akwadi, look who is talking about tarnishing image. Do you have any image? Do you have? You're not going anywhere. You cannot tarnish my image and go scot-free. I will show you madness. Yes, I'm a mad woman. And I will show you. I'll show you madness.
Mama, good afternoon. Mama. Hey.
Good afternoon, my children. Ijeoma, what happened to your face?
Mama, it's your daughter, Akwadi. Dad, come out here. She will tell me what my sister did to her. Look at my sister's face.
My own daughter, Akwadi?
Yes, I know she's inside. Dad, come out here. Where's your daughter?
Calm
Dad,
down,
come out here.
calm down, my son. You can't come from your house to fight my daughter in my house.
Who is that mad fellow shouting in my father's compound with so much confidence? In Apuala. Hey, get out! Something wrong with you? In Apuala.
Look at this one woman.
Me.
Okay,
I don't want to
take
fight.
your useless gossip of a sister out of this compound right now.
I don't want to fight in my house.
You are mad. Do you think I'm mad?
Stop.
Udoka, take this useless sister of yours out of this place. In Apuala. Do you want me to descend on her again? Take her out of here.
Akwadi, look at what you did to my sister. You never have a question.
Enough of this ranting.
Mama, Polozo.
Get out of this place. I will.
Mama,
tell these people to get
Mama, Polozo.
Mama,
get out of the way.
Leave this compound.
Polozo.
Leave this compound. Leave this compound.
Mama,
leave this compound. I'm warning you.
Mama,
you don't want to leave. Leave this compound. Mama, please come out of the way now. Come out of the way now. Polozo.
I don't. My husband, where are you? Akwadi,
Aqua, this is your mother. This is your mother. Aqua, this is your mother. Aqua, this is your mother. Aqua, the place is your mother. Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody come! I have this assist now. See here now. Let us see. This one now your life companion. Game over. Yeah. You know the bounce.
I mean, the reason I say you never walk now. I don't look tired.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't finish assist. The game is over.
No, besides they doubt your profession.
No, you don't need to doubt
I just
me.
want this show say you did the nice job.
You don't even need to show sir. This one don't game over. All you have to do now that's to give me money.
Urioma. Make her go come back and pay you now. You know, since I clean, since morning I never walk. Man, go one trip, run round, come pay you.
Let me have him again.
Kevin now, correct guy, Kevin.
Do they touch tire like that? If they romance tire, you don't pay. You don't pay.
No, relax.
I don't want that come out. I say I don't want to go. Give me the money for the tire.
I'm not saying you like money, me self like money.
I don't want best for you.
No, you know rich where you go first. Make her go run round, just once.
They touch tire. I can't follow you play for you.
Go run once. One trip, oh, just one trip. I'll come back. Look.
Hey, where you go now? Where you go? Your daddy.
See, leave that. Now leave there.
After.
Look at me. Now you cause, see what you have caused. See the shame you have brought upon me. But
I expected you to beat her.
You expect me to beat her? Why do you beat her? Can you job was him? Why do you call me? Are
you not a man? I felt so ashamed when she threw you on the ground. You couldn't even do anything.
You are very stupid. Don't worry, tomorrow is another day. Are you
not supposed to protect him as my elder brother?
Jesus Christ. Go and get my slippers. Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere. Go and get my slippers. I'm not going anywhere. Come back without that slippers. Here, come back without that slippers. Must go now.
Look at disgraced me today. Look at the way she beat him up like a child.
Ijoma and her stupid brother will not forget what I did to them yesterday. Hey!
You mean Ijoma brought her brother to warn you and you also beat him up?
I gave him the beating of his life that he will never forget in a hurry.
He was crying like a baby. Whoa, whoa.
Good. Very good for him. And Ijoma, what did she do? Was she just there watching?
She could not say a word. She was so speechless. That serves her right. Next time she will know how to keep her dirty mouth shut.
Hey!
But Aku, what exactly did she tell Emeka?
She said terrible things. My guy called me to come. I was thinking it was based on the money I asked him to give to me.
Yes.
But when I got there, his face was like shit. Okay, he started vomiting. Ijoma told him everything I've been doing in this village. That I've been going around sleeping with men. Yeah, not just men, no. Sugar daddies to be precise.
Huh? Hey! Are you serious?
I am telling you, my sister.
Ako, you pitied her. If I were you, I would have given her the beating of her life she will never forget in a hurry.
Oh.
Do you know what that stupid girl does in this village is to go about gossiping?
That is the only thing she knows how to do.
Good afternoon, sir.
Papa, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
I want to see you immediately.
You know my father, he's very dramatic. Let me hear what he wants to say.
Go and see him and come back so we'll discuss the business that brought us.
I'm coming. Papa, you called.
What are those two things doing in my house?
Papa, they are my friends. They came to visit me.
They are your friends. How many times have I warned you never to allow them to come into my house?
Papa, they are my friends now. I can't stop them from visiting me. They've not done anything bad to me.
Now listen. They are your friends. No doubt about it. But I don't want to see them again in my house. Any other day I see them in my house, you will not like what I will do. Because they are not responsible.
Papa, stop calling them irresponsible. They are responsible. If you call them that means you are indirectly calling me irresponsible.
Keep quiet. Now listen to me. This is the reason you did not go to school. And any other day I see them in my house, you will not like what I will do to them. Yes.
But it's a lie, yo. But it's a lie, yo. They are my friends and they will continue to visit me. I mean, how can I chase my friends away? They have not done anything wrong to me. I'm not coming anymore.
Aku, calm down.
I honestly, and then I hate it when someone provokes me. I hate it.
Can you chill? Calm down.
Emeka is the cause of all this. He wants me to worship him simply because I need money from him. What kind of boyfriend is that?
Chill, like just calm down. Calm your nerves. Is it not Ijoma? Small Ijoma? Hi.
That's what I'm saying, you should calm down. Don't let her get you worked up. Biko.
We will deliver Ijoma later. No, Ijoma is a small thing.
I claim to be a big girl, yet I cannot take care of myself. Body spray, my cream, my soap, everything is finished. Yet I have a boyfriend, and all he does is to listen to gossip. What kind of a boyfriend is that?
But babes, on a very serious note, it's time we upgraded.
Yes, so
it's time to change our level. Make we change our level, Let's stop following all these string-on boys. It's obvious they don't have anything to offer us.
Who then help? Who those small boys help?
I thought nothing.
A big girl is making too much sense.
She is.
We need to change our levels. As in,
we need to upgrade now.
Make I tell you now, if we not do them now, hunger and starvation go just finish person for this village.
You're talking about You're talking about hunger and starvation. What about nakedness? My dear, all my clothes are worn out. As a matter of fact, if I show you the pants I am wearing as I'm talking to you now, you will pity me. Makayini nebo pachi. Ejiru go montoto dokasi everywhere.
Are you serious? Let me see.
Pachi.
You see, that is what I am saying. Make we change our level before poverty will kill us in this village.
Abigail, is enough. You've been saying change our level. I get my magic. How do we change it? How do we accomplish it?
Calm down. See, that was why we came to your house. Nena has a contact. So let us tell her.
Nena, I don't want to let her be. Very.
Talk now. You know, Unga, calm down. Let's go to our usual place.
You want to go?
You're feeling like it's gone now.
Yes, let's go. I can't wait.
Why didn't people go to school again today?
Mama, school. I thought we told you that we are on 1 week break.
So, are you the only ones on this 1 week break? Because I see others going to school, even up till now.
Mama, you wait until the 1 week break is over before you start accusing us of dodging school. Get one year be here, one.
No problem. How about the receipt your sister agreed that you should release to me at the beginning of this term? Why is that people have not given it to me? I want it now.
Mama, I like Romifin Emel. Eh? Are we children? Are we children that you'll be following us up like this? Must we show you the receipt for you to actually believe we paid our fees?
I wonder. That was what we all agreed now, even before you agreed to release that school fees to people.
Mama, we know you initiated this yourself. It's yes, sister can never say a thing like that.
Abigail. Nena. Wepuna kenwe no fe tupo awara aka mmadu. Oyima agwara nga agwa na oyima kara megwa ge obroko ofu. I am sick and tired of you girls. Every nook and cranny I go to in this village, it is you people that are talking about. You are in every mouth. Are you all the only girls in this community? Mama,
they should say what they want to say. Let them talk. After all, that's what the mouth was meant for. They should talk. Yeah.
Okay, now for me. Your sister is in the city, laboring under the sun, under the rain. Manunuma. We do no kaife. Manife na gono bonye bakute ujina na nenkete. Una masina magwarono.
What is all this? This woman is becoming annoying these days. I don't understand. What is this? She move for listening to school. Who's school has said? Who's school
So they have gone out again. No problem. You will come back to meet me in this house.
Children of nowadays, they know they keep heading for house.
See, I need money to buy some clothes and upgrade myself. We can't keep dressing like EGWE in this village. Are you not tired? Call her, Biko.
See, Nena, calling sister back is not the problem. The main thing is for us to find out why she has been rejecting our calls. You know I did not go out with my phone yesterday.
I remember.
I am sure Mama answered sister's call. And she told her we've not been attending school.
You have a point, oh. Because sister cannot just be avoiding us like that now. Hey! I still suggest you call her again. Even if she said that to her, we have our mouths to defend ourselves. We can still defend ourselves now. Call her, Biko.
Okay.
Let's know what the problem is.
I am calling. It's ringing again. Hello, sister. Hey, sister. I've been calling since last night. Everybody's fine. Yes. No, we did not. They sent us home yesterday because of the intersport fee. 6,000 for each person. Both of us 12,000. Yes, sister, both of us 12,000. Thank you, sister. Okay, sister, bye-bye.
What did she say?
She said she's busy now, that she'll call us later at night. What?
Does that mean she's bringing the money out?
Wait, let her call first, then we'll know.
You see, in that case, Mama did not tell her anything.
I pray so.
We are accusing her wrong.
I pray so. No,
from the village to the city, if I know, children of for nowadays, they know the tire. Uriyama no the doll, Uriyama no the tire. Any work she see, she go do am go. As far as the money go come, to put to food for table. She say what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do. Any work at all, you're my good. Chop it down, game over. When I do my work, I get my money.
Who is your customer? Let me show you. You see what you fix for me this morning? Do you see what you fix for me this morning? Do you see how flat the tire is? The tire is flat.
You know my tire.
See the tire. Very flat, very flat. How can you fix? After the money I gave you this morning, money I gave you this morning, see how you fix for me.
No my tire be that.
No, who shall come with this one?
Hey man, this your tire. I don't fix am. I don't pump am. The tire before the tire come out here in condition and game over. That tire where you see, so that tire where I give you that time, that tire na your for life companion. That tire no fit press down again. Nothing like press down, shake it together for that tire. That tire on don't end. You don't feel less again. Let me tell you something. I will get you arrested if you don't change this tire now. Is that you change this tire or you give me back my money? As I give you the tire before you carry the tire go, the tire dey in very perfect condition. Okay, the tire dey prepared for that me carry and come out abi? Yes, you can't go spoil am now. You carry and come. See, wait, you see the tire, see the tire. This is the tire where you go fix up. This morning said even yesterday, this morning like you fix this tire. Chairman, I be professional o. Everybody know me for here. I can see that you are troublesome. Once I touch your tire, now game over. This tire not my tire, not me do am o. I can see that you are very troublesome. That's why my friend told me not to come here. Next time, I won't come here to do anything from you. See the tire now. See, no, now. Why you fight? See, don't make me call the first for you now. What did that happen? See, if I come here, you not change this tire, I will carry this on machine. When you carry and go, now you don't go spoil and now you carry and come back. What did that happen now? You know if you carry my machine. Me? And tell you me go carry this on machine. If you not fix this matter, it's either you give me my money back or you change this tire. Because I don't know if you collect this tire now. See tire now. See that tire. I know if you do anyone, but you know if you carry my machine. And they tell you that say me go carry this on. I go carry this on machine. Either you change this machine. As I come back now, so me go leave this tire for your hand. As I come back now, as I leave this tire for your hand, as I come back, see the 3 options what they give you now. Is either you give me my money back, or you change my tire, or I go carry this on machine. What did that happen? You know if you carry my machine. See, I go tell you don't tell me now. You don't tell me. I go tell you me now worry boy. Me too. I tell you don't tell me now. You don't tell me. See, me now worry boy. I go share. See, let's not know what to do. Maybe you not share this tire, or me know where my money. They come back. Me too. They come back. That's where my tire. Just do like 30 minutes and they come back. See, I won't go arrange a record for you, so I tell you now, so me won't go arrange a record for you. As I come back now, say, if you're a call, so you never change this tire, so you never change this tire, or you never ready my money. I go carry this on machine. This one. See, this is a machine, sir. This is a machine, so I go carry a commode. I'm go more shoes, so they can give you line. See, no, this is a machine, I go carry a commode. And give you line. Let me say, see. Oh, I don't want to provoke for you. When I'm like, say, I don't want to tell you the swap. But my boy, yeah, see, you fuck off. Now you come back. See, at the meantime, 10 minutes and they come back. Hey, Ram, go follow me come back. I don't tell you, man. I don't tell you, I won't tell you.
You are leaving?
Yes, I'm rushing to the market. One of my customers is waiting for me in the shop. Is there anything the matter?
What about the discussion we had?
What kind of question is that? I left money for you on the table now.
How much is that?
I kept money for you on the table.
Enough is enough. Oh. Today you are not going anywhere. You must give me for the money today. You must give me for the money today. Oh. You're not leaving anywhere. Today.
What's wrong with you?
Every time.
You are growing weeks in this house.
Is it my problem? Every time. You'll be giving me 1,000 naira. Every time. Let me ask you, what can 1,000 naira buy in the market these days? Please, oh. I won't take it anymore. Better give me money. Look at you. Because you know very well that the money is not enough. That is why you almost sneaked into your car.
You are troubling me in this house. You are growing wings.
I'm not troubling you. I'm only asking you to give me for the money. I make putazi the 500 naira, eh? So if 500 naira, this is all you could add to the one that you gave me, Abi? Only 500 naira. Making 1.5. You see you, Ugonna. And I made you to go again, yo. But don't worry. Very soon, I will know what you spend your money on. Eso bunowegi, mama oberoge. Fere mena every time 1,000 naira.
Ebu ye go ngibu bago. De go kuku ya. So you can dig na mo afuma.
Children of nowadays, they know they keep heady for house. From the village to the city, if I not.
Hello, pretty young ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
I am not sir. I am Chief Obanye. Omelora.
Good afternoon, Chief Obanye.
I can see you girls are coming back from school.
Yes.
Great. You look pretty in your school uniform.
I mean, you are looking so charming and sexy.
Thank you, sir.
Wouldn't mind if we drop you off? I can see the sun is so harsh on you.
No, Chief. How can you say no? Are you shy or what? We'll take you to anywhere you want to go.
Don't worry.
See, look. You wouldn't be saying no.
I say yes. I've said yes.
Get into the car.
Don't keep the chief waiting.
Enough for nowadays, they know they keep heady for house. From the village to the city, if I not. Children of for nowadays, they know they keep heady for house.
What is keeping Abigail from coming back from school? I left school before me now. She ought to have been back by now. Mama? Eh?
Where is your sister? Why is she not back up till now?
Oh, I don't know. I even went to their class. They say she left school since.
Nana, are you sure both of you attended school today?
Mama, you have started again this afternoon.
No problem. Let's wait for her. She will soon come back. Let me check what I put on the fire. Oh?
Abigail, do not tell me you're just coming back from school because I know it's a lie.
Where's Mama?
She's inside. Wait. Your mouth stinks of alcohol. Who gave you drink?
Come, let me tell you. Level don't finally change.
What happened?
Wait, let me show you.
Hey. How did this happen?
It is called change of level.
Did you steal it?
What kind of nonsense is that? Do I look like a criminal? See.
Children of nowadays, they know they keep heady for house. From the village to the city, if I not. Children of nowadays,
Yay! 10,000 naira. After all the bush meat and the 3 bottles of beer I took, this man still gave me 10,000 naira. only to transport myself to the city to see him. Yay! Nluzie city where me go no ga amam. Hey! Okay ga amam nko. Okay we lo say jeli anule. Okay they go the sharp. Hey! But wait though. Abigail. That girl is very corny. I'm sure she didn't tell me how much she was giving. That girl. That girl. Anyway, I know what to do. Mama? Mama?
Don't tell me that you're just coming back from school now.
No, it's been long I came back. But I decided not to disturb you because you were sleeping. Yes, Mama.
I overheard you talking to somebody, and who was that?
Talking to somebody? Me? No, I was not talking to anybody.
Oh, no, you can't know.
Oh, Mama, I understand. I was singing. Yes. Mama, hey, I didn't tell you. If you see what happened today in school, I got all the answers they asked in my class. Hey, Mama, all the mathematics. Mama, I was on the homework. I'm so happy.
Is that so?
Yeah, so everybody gathered together and they were singing for me. Akwadi, Akwadi. So it's the song I'm reciting. I was reciting the song.
So you will not miss school again? You will always go to school now?
Forbid, Mama. Anything that will make me not to go to school. Holy Ghost fire will destroy it.
Amen.
Never. Me, I will always go to school, Mama. In fact, I will come out with good grades. Don't worry. Yes.
I like that. I will always want you to study medicine so that people will call me a doctor.
Yes. Yes, Mama. Why not? No more if you're not going, don't worry. I will read medicine and I will make you so proud. Check your waist, Mama.
She said we didn't invite her to join us.
But we never knew it was going to be like that. Chief and his friend offered us a ride. And along the line, they decided to take us out. How is it our fault?
My sister, I have told her all that, but she wouldn't listen. She said we should enjoy that our own opportunity will come.
I bet make she calm down. Now the same game all of us they play. She should calm down, please. Oh, wait. Was that the reason she didn't join us to school?
Yes, now. You're talking as if you don't know them now.
What's her problem, self? Please, let's just...
My love, see, my love is looking very, 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 very beautiful. Hello, what is it? Abigail, how are you? I can see you guys are going to school.
Market.
Farm.
Ewo. My love, what is the problem? What have I done wrong? For the past few days now, you have not even come to see me. You don't even bother to check on me, to know how I'm doing.
Abia.
What have I done to deserve all these things?
What have you not done? Give me one reason, Emeka. You're going to more full reason why I should ask of you. Why should I ask of you?
Why are you stretching this matter? I said I'm sorry. I am sorry for everything I've done. Please, forgive me. Let us come back together like we were. I love you so much and I can do anything just to keep you.
I'm not reasoning with you. There is nothing to reason about. Onyasele, Ekosiana, are you done with your gossip? What's that name again? Ijoma. Iwagam. You gossip me with Ijoma and you're calling me your love. What kind of love? Please, don't call me your love, please.
Look, I cannot do anything with Ijoma. Listen, anything that Ijoma told me does not concern you because her plans of bringing problem between both of us can never work. No matter what Ijoma told me, my love for you still remains 100%. It can never end. In fact, nobody on earth can tell me anything to make me leave you.
Achorosemo, leave me alone. Let's go to school.
My love, please hold on. Hold on. What is it? I will make money one day. I know that you...
Wait for what, Emeka? Emeka, I am no longer interested. Oh, they didn't tell you? My level has changed.
Nobody told me.
Oh, I'm telling you now. I am no longer the Akwadi you used to know. I am no longer. I have stepped into a higher level, which you cannot even get to. So please, leave me alone. I am no longer interested in this relationship. Size. Emeka, cholo size again.
One day go better. Best friend to my girlfriend. Please help me and talk to her. Please. Anything.
No, Abigail, what? Abigail, what? I close the corner from us all. Don't call my name there again.
I will make money.
Go and make the money. Abigail!
My love! See the way she's shaking her waist. See the way she's shaking her waist. What is this now? Poverty. Poverty.
How much do you give for me?
I will make.
Can you afford it?
From the village to the city, if I know, children of
No, I don't want nonsense. What sort of rubbish is this? How can you be owing me 4 months rent and you're just feeling comfortable? You're not even bothered about it. What sort of rubbish is this?
I go pay the money, I beg.
You go pay the money. First day you go pay the money. If I return again, you will pay the money. If I come in January, you go pay the money. When will you pay the money? Now only you things hard for. Things hard. Now only you things hard for. Things not hard for my side. Urioma, see, let me tell you. I'm sounding it as a note of warning now. If you see all these things here, I don't even know how much they worth. But I'm going to sell all of it. I will sell this one. I will sell this machine. And if I sell it, if you have balance, that is, if you have balance, I don't want to hear beg again. Leave this place. No, I beg me now. Urioma, leave now. I am giving you leave, Urioma, leave, leave, please leave. Leave me. Who's you beg? You are beg. Leave. What sort of rubbish is this? Well, I've told. No, don't beg me. I don't want a beg now. Urioma, I beg. Okay, maybe I go chop a beg for my house. If I reach my children's house, I go tell them I beg. Urioma, beg.
Why is that beg?
No.
Why is that? I go pay him.
Sweetie, please. Sweetie.
Oh, my love.
I'm hungry.
Oh, honey, I'm very tired right now to go into the kitchen and start preparing something for you. And there's no food in this house.
Please get me something to eat. You can see I'm terribly hungry.
This is why I kept telling you that we need a new house help in this house. For the fact that the previous one made away with my money does not mean we can't have another.
Baby, I told you I don't want another trouble of house help again in this house. Just send the gate man to get me something.
Okay, honey, I will do that, but please, instead, let's look for a male servant. We need someone to take care of the domestic chores in this house, considering how busy we are.
You go and look for a male servant. Meanwhile, get me something to eat. Send Rufus across the street to get me something.
I will do that. You just wait for me inside. I will come in. Rufus! Rufus! What is wrong with you?
You come.
What is wrong with you? I've been calling you and you're there smiling like a he-goat. And what are you eating?
Just cannot.
You will never change. Listen, just go across the road and get me pounded yam and the bitter leaf soup. Tell them to add snail and cow head, okay? Why are you moping at me? What did I just say?
Rishi.
I didn't say rishi. What is rishi? I said they should add cow head and snail. What is wrong with you?
Cow head.
Let me get out of my sight.
Mama.
Chukwu!
go, I beg. They go, come up from my house. Come up from my house. 1 naira you don't feel bring. Come up from my house. I don't want to go change. Small money. Which small money? Who go they pay for here? So now let me go they pay.
No, I go pay.
One people they work, people go they chop.
I go pay.
Come up for here. Come up for here. I don't want to see you for. Come up for here. Carry your load. Say they work. Carry your load. They go. Come up from my house. I don't want to see you for. I don't want to see you in this place. So come. I don't tell you.
Chi?
You know they hear English.
They hear.
I say make you come up from my house. And see, if landlord come outside, I go tell say I don't know you for here. You come up for here. Come up for here. Come up. Come up for here. Come up for here.
What are you doing outside by this time of the day?
Problem, ma. House rent problem.
Please, this place is not safe for you. Just get into the car. Abigail, we have to hurry very, very fast, eh? I don't want us to miss them, oh?
I tell you. Where exactly are they taking us to?
Name is none of my business, oh. They can take us wherever they want to take us. All we need is their money. Or don't you want their money?
I need the money, but I am worried. In fact, I am scared. Let's find out where they are taking us to.
Hey, Abigail, why are you scared? Do you have kidnapping value? You don't have, I don't have. So what are they going to do with us? We need their money. Let us do the thing. We'll go.
If you don't ask them, when we get there, I'll ask them myself.
No problem. I'm okay. Let us do peace. I'll put your bag up. Let's go.
Ugonna.
Mommy.
Are you sure these guys are going to come here? We've been here for past an hour now, yet nothing is happening.
Hang on now, let's wait for some time. I know they're coming from their school.
Then what are we doing here? We should have waited for them close to their school where we can pick them faster and go ahead and do what we have to do.
Guy, you be a tall person with short memory. Have you forgotten what they told us? That we should wait for them here. That somebody must spot them entering our car if we had gone to pick them there.
The truth is that I'm tired of waiting. I want to get back home before my wife returns from the market. That's just the essence why I'm making sharp. And if man on a woman will see my bed is already open.
So my wife always be, oh boy, no go that area, I beg. Now so my wife always be.
Relax. You know say you would pass me, I mean they give you OT.
See. Because I did. Babe, okay, you guys kept waiting for the past 1 hour. We'll be here.
I'm so sorry. It will never happen again. It's due to some things in school.
It's not a problem. You guys should just get into the car. Let's go immediately.
Sorry, please. Can I ask a question?
No, go ahead now. You are free.
No question,
Sir, please don't be angry. Don't be angry. Can we know exactly where you're taking us to? Because we don't want embarrassment from your wife.
Please, there's no problem. It's not a problem. Where I'm taking you to, nobody's going to spot you. It's a very safe place. Even my friend here, he doesn't know it because he does not have that OT orientation. He doesn't have it. Yes, are you okay?
Very okay.
I love you. You see why I said
children of for nowadays, they know they keep heading for house. Every day, if I know not,
you know I'm giving you for you to enjoy. So by the time we go into the room, there's enough money to give you. Waiter! Supply. Fill the table, please. Fill the table. These girls, they drink fire. This world is nothing happening. Make her the chop onions. Make she for the chop this baby take now. Yeah, and then they get my bamboo. Yeah, she's enjoying now. You're mad. Your cheeks is getting fat.
Where on earth will Abigail and Akwadi be by this time of the day? So both of them have now decided not to involve me again in their deals. I regret telling Abigail about the money sister sent through my account. I would have just kept everything to myself. Abigail hasn't come back.
No, Mama.
Nena, are you sure you do not know Abigail's whereabouts?
Mama, I am not Abigail's keeper, okay? When she comes back, you can ask her. You know, yeah?
Nena.
Mama, leave me alone. What is it? Yeah.
Where on earth will Abigail be by this time of the day? Hey! Keke why the one on Tinjo, the one on Tinjo.
Auntie. Good morning.
Did your brother call you last night?
Oh, he did not. Is there any problem?
He didn't come back.
My brother did not come back home last night.
Yes.
Why now?
I have no idea. His phones were switched off all through the night.
This is all like him. Where could he have gone to? Okay,
here he comes.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you? Darling, how are you?
And who is your darling? Where are you coming from?
Oh, I went to crusade with a friend of mine. I'm sorry I couldn't get neither you nor Uche on phone. My battery door was down.
Look at you. Look at you, Gonna. It's very obvious that you have started sleeping out. But let me tell you this. It is very bad of you. Very bad of you. As a married man.
I said I went to crusade.
You, crusade. Eh? You can't deceive me. You and I know very well that you never attended any crusade. But I promise you one thing. One day, my God in heaven will expose you. Then if we NWEKE.
Can't watch the car for me, please.
Brother, he has rights to be angry. You would have told her that you are going to crusade.
You're stupid. Now watch that car for me.
The married man.
If you go, you need oh yeah, na children of now.
Yeah.
Honey?
Okay, baby, let me call you back.
Good morning to you. How was your night?
I'm fine.
Yes. I want to go and wash my car. It's been long. Wash it close.
Darling, it's about the poor girl I brought home last night.
What about her? You said she would live in this morning?
Yes, but I've changed my mind. Please, I really want her to stay. I need to help her, please.
Why? Why the sudden change of mind?
Honey, I've known her for a while now. She will make a nice house help to us, please.
Okay, we'll talk about it. Let me go straight to the office because I have some people waiting for me there.
It's alright, bye.
When I come back, we'll talk about
it. Okay. Yeah.
She dey work more than a man. She no get time for men. She dey hustle all the way. School fees in na who go pay am? House rent in na who go pay am? Money for the feeding.
Sorry, sir.
Who asked you to watch this?
No. Nobody, sir. Let me just decide to make I take care of this one. I dey wash car well, sir. I dey wash car well. If I come begin to do vulcanizer, game over.
Game what?
Game over, sir. My name now Urioma, but they call me game over. Madam know me well. Because I be vulcanizer. Once I hold this tire now I hold am. I hold this tire. I pump this tire. I pump this tire now. Game over. You know swell again. You know if you swell again. No, sir. My interior decoration remain. No, that's interior decorator.
All right, hurry up, eh?
Yes, sir. Money good. No wonder Madam just they enjoy.
What happened? You didn't go again?
It's about that girl.
The girl?
Yes.
What happened? What has she done?
I just stepped out now and I saw that the car is completely washed.
Then you scared me. She did?
Oh, no, she did.
I told you she's hardworking.
Wow, everything you said about her is correct.
I told you. So, what are you saying?
No, we need to keep her.
Okay.
At least we need a house help. She can fit into it.
So she can stay?
Oh, yes, she can.
Oh, just give me a
She can.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. So, wow. Okay.
Now for nowadays, they know they keep heady for house. From the village to the city, see if I know. Children of for nowadays, they know they keep.
Nana, what is the problem? I am talking to you.
Leave me alone now, okay? Let me go.
Why are you talking to me like that?
Listen, I should be asking you. What did you do yourself?
What did they do? Why is the body just biting you?
I do not care to know where you're coming back from, so it's none of my business. Mind your business. Is it too much?
Mama, good morning.
Listen, Mama, good morning. Where have you been since yesterday?
Mama, night lessons, though. In preparation for our SSC exams.
Night lesson? Name the lesson. So why didn't you tell me and your sister that you weren't going to come back? That you were going to be doing night lesson?
My sister? Mama, I looked for her, but I did not see her. I was told by a classmate that she had already gone home. So.
Abigail, even before me. Eh?
Hey! Mama, wonder shall never end though. Night lesson indeed. We look for. Don't just involve me in that your nonsense, you know, yeah?
Abigail. Abigail. Abigail!
Ma?
How many times did I call you? Let this be the last time this kind of thing will repeat itself again in this house. I didn't sleep a wink last night, all because of you.
Mama, sorry.
Mama,
is that all?
Mom, can you tell me what do you want me to do to her? Kill her? Kill her? Ujia kwa saru. Ujua goda saru. Uchegidea. Uchegidea.
What's the meaning of that? Bia, respect yourself. Isn't she your mother? Is she not your mother? At least you should have told her the truth. Rose girl.
No, Rose.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Mugu. I don't blame you. Na sifin is custom. Idiot.
No vessel. I just want to from the bottom of my heart. You don't say you do fine. Yes. Your beauty, a full come from God. Like this? Yes. I don't know. Hey. I don't know. I don't notice your body movement. Forget say you see me from here. I don't be that kind of girl at all. I dey carry myself well. I don't like him at all. Now what you stand there You might not come again. You don't come again. What you be saying? You notice my body movement. See, look at you. You see, only me and you did this compound now. The hour have come. You see all those things, why I tell you that time? You go past, I go tell you, say, you look good. You know, the capture full come from heaven. You know, I said, just let me tell you my mind. I like you. If only you will open the door of your heart, accept me, love me, let me be the landlord of your heart. I'll be giving you money, anything. See, don't mind, see, I did get you. I know you're ordinary get man. Just talk, I'll do anything for you. I'll take care of you. You know, if only you see, maybe you did not understand the language that I just speak. They say with money. Go. Go.
work more than a man do. She no get time for men do. She dey hustle all the way. School fees in na who go pay am? House rent in na who go pay am?
Papa, I don't know what else you want me to tell you. I've told you the truth. I told you why I could not come back yesterday. It was not my fault. Okay, if you think I'm lying to you, you can ask Abigail. She will tell you what happened.
Lies. Lies. We are not going to ask Abigail. Even if we ask someone else, it's going to be someone else, a neutral person. Abigail is a Bakayoko member. We will not ask her.
Shut up your mouth! See, I am not your mate. I don't want your mouth to enter this discussion. Don't put your mouth in this discussion. Just stay on your own.
Then stop telling us lies. Tell us the truth. Tell us where you slept last night. Tell us, Aku. Tell us.
Oh, Biora, be careful in this household. Be careful in this household. I am telling you.
Be careful about what? Huh?
You are talking to me. You are talking back at me, eh?
Okay. It does not call for quarrel.
It does if this idiot will not respect his stupid self.
Papa, see, you cannot deceive me, oh. Papa, Mama, she's only deceiving people, but she cannot deceive me. You cannot lie to me. I will not believe you. I will not believe you, Aku.
You cannot believe me because you are a very foolish man. You have always been foolish all your life. Yes. I made you able to come. That's school umba. Mechanic in the Kaganum Papa. And then Queen.
Aku, you don't have to shout on your brother. All you need to do is to convince us that you truly had a night lesson in school.
Papa, what else do you want me to tell you? I don't want to talk about this matter again since it's obvious that whatever I say in this house is not taken. And Makweri, you will want this idiot you call a son. This Obongaji, you will want him more. If you insult me again in this house, I will beat you blue, black, green, and even yellow. I will.
Why you?
Hey, me, you will beat me.
Yes.
Respect yourself. If you don't respect yourself, I will insult you. I will tell you I'm the man in this house.
Obiora, you look me in the face and you're telling me that you're a man.
Do you want to fight me?
Today, you will show me the strength in you. You will.
Hey, I'm not scared of you. I am not scared of you. Rubbish. Huh? I'm just looking at you because of... Hey, see, listen. Listen.
You have the right.
I swear to God, if...
Hey, go and stop them. Hey, go. Stop them. Come on. Hey, go, stop them.
I got this, sir. Mama, look, I'm looking at you.
Hey, go, stop them. Hey, go, stop them.
My daddy, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. I have come to see you and your children. Everything is not alright. Why will you and your children be looking for my trouble in this community?
Hey, can you find mercy? What happened? What did you do?
In Ajun, what happened? Were you not the one who went to clear the land under the Dikeh tree?
Oh, man, I was the one.
Why did you do that without my consent?
No, I don't understand you. Obiadi.
Yes?
I have been cultivating that piece of land even before your brother, my late husband, died. And you never raised this matter. So why will I look for your consent now?
Olaku, let me tell you. If you don't know, that piece of land belongs to me. It is not family land. That land was given to me by your late husband in lieu of the money I lent him, which was able to pay back.
Uncle, it's a very big lie. You're lying. Our father did not tell us such a thing before he died.
What do you know? Now, listen, I'm warning the whole of you. I don't want to see any one of you on that land again. Never step on that land anymore.
Obiadi, you're out of your mind. Hey, my husband cultivated that land all through his life. So why raising this matter now? Why?
In case you don't know, let me tell you. I have the right to raise this matter at my own convenient time. So don't question me again. And I repeat, I want the whole of you never to step on that land again.
You cannot scare me. You cannot scare me with empty threats. I can really get it.
It's alright. Mama, we shall see. We shall see.
Look at you. Mama, what is wrong with this madman? Eh? What is even wrong with him? You see, I didn't want to pull my mouth before he will say I've insulted him. Eh? But what is wrong with him? Who does he think he is? I don't know. Eh? Is it because you don't have anybody to fight for?
Eh! Don't ever say that. I have myself. I can fight for myself. I can fight for myself. He thinks he can intimidate
But
you.
Mama, Uncle Obiadi is a very wicked man. He's a wicked man. I would advise you just give him the land. After all, we have other lands to farm on. But me, I don't like trouble. If you don't have anything to say, shut up there. But I have said my own no.
Because I want to eat you. Now I'll cultivate on my head. Give you food.
Mama, don't listen to this one though.
Children now for nowadays, they know they keep heading.
Obiora is the major problem I'm having in that house. But I'm sure he will not forget what I did to him yesterday in a hurry. Stupid boy.
Ah. You mean you fought with your younger brother?
Fought? Hey. I dealt with that fool. Because he's now tall, he's trying to tell me that he's all grown. I dealt with him. I'm off here.
Your brother is a fool. A very big fool. You go forget about that one. Hey, what's up? You sounded so urgent on the phone.
Yeah, it's better runs. With that stupid boy, let's talk about something important. You know Chief now? I called him last night.
You called Chief?
Yes.
Wait, you mean say you get the number?
Nah, I get the number by Kunkumo. You know that last time that we were together? I was waiting for the man to give me his number. He didn't want to. When he was sleeping, I rushed his phone and dialed my number. It reflected on my phone. I saved it. That was how I got the number. Hey!
Agwadi!
You're a criminal. I know. I am a criminal, but a positive one at that. An intelligent one. Nah. Opportunity comes but once in life. And when it comes, grab it. Nah, once this one came, I grabbed it with 2 hands. Did you come? Wait for Zanako.
So, how did you people discuss?
You know when I called him, he didn't remember who was talking. I had to explain to him how I gave it to him and everything. He was so happy. He didn't even remember that he didn't give me his number. He said he's happy I called him and he wants to see more of me. As a matter of fact, that I should come with my friends.
Are you serious?
Yes, so. He also told me that his 2 friends are coming in from Obodo Yibo. Nah, I should come with my friends. Let us jollificate and chop life together. My sister, we are going international. Hey!
But who are we taking along with us?
Then of course. Or do you have any other person in mind?
No, but
I understand where you're headed. Don't worry. I'll speak to her myself. I get a butega. Name is gonna achieve an $100. Okay, $100 one day.
Hey, let me warn you. Hold your ear very well and listen to what I'm saying. I don't want to see you with my sister again. I want you to disconnect yourself from my sister. Disfriend her. Allow her to concentrate on her studies.
Obiora, in Akwala, are you out of your mind?
You are the one that is out of your mind. Allow her to concentrate. Stop deceiving her.
You are a fool.
You are the one that is a fool.
Hey!
See, stop deceiving my sister, I'm telling you. Stop deceiving her.
No wonder she beat you up the other day.
Get away there. Let me see my father's house again.
Let me tell you. You cannot do anything. Ray cannot do anything. You know if you try him. See, you see the house?
I will come and if I hear beep from you, I will teach a lesson you never forget. See, I am not your sister Akwadio. I am Abigail. Don't mess with me. Don't try me.
You want to you hit me? You hit me.
Try.
Look at you. See, if you come, you see what I'll do to you. Look at your men. Look at you. Every time you are sharing, you come here, you give. You go here, you give. 3 years, you are still in the same class, SS3. You cannot even pass common WAEC. Look at you. You think I don't know what you do? You go everywhere. You go to town. You do Bakayoko together.
Because they go doing a command one. Look how he's talking. Obera, let me ask you. Did you finish primary 3 before you started this your nonsense mechanic work?
Not because I was a dull boy. Because my father could not afford the fee, so I decided to learn work. I'm a very brilliant boy, not like you. 3 years, same class. See, I don't have your time, but you know, the next time, the next time you come to my father's house,
don't try me.
Don't worry. Let me see you. Let me see your father's house.
Don't do anything. See, I am not your sister. If you mess with me,
let me see my father's house.
I cannot do anything. You cannot do anything.
Don't worry.
Keep
sharing. Make you share.
Come and take it.
You are going to share. I don't want to.
Take it.
The sour one. Look at you.
Mugu.
I don't.
Go away. Get out of this place. At this one. Your father could not afford.
Go and share Begus.
And you talk about. Have you not seen your mates sending themselves to school? Mugu. Ewu Gambia. Good for nothing, son. See, you see that your yellow face. By the time I am done with you, you turn black. Hey, come and take it, jealousy. Hey, take it. Mugu, that is what you are.
3 years in one class. Go and read your book.
Hey, Wu! Want to come and talk to Abigail? Try me. Try me. You not challenge Abigail. Try me, I'll teach you a lesson. Good. Take it. What kind of stupid question is that?
Abigail, you went to my makeup kit and stole my lipstick and eyeshadow without my consent, and you're asking me what kind of stupid question is that? Can I have them?
You're foolish. You're mad for saying that rubbish. Hear this girl. Where did you keep your manners?
I have not insulted you. Yes, so can I have my lipstick? Give me my thing now. Give it for me.
I will not have you insult me. Do you understand?
Give me my lipstick. What is it? Then I'm calling you.
What is going on here?
Mama, it's your daughter. Mama, warn Nena to stop insulting me in this house. Remind her that I am my elder sister.
Mama, every day this idiot will be telling people to warn me. Warn me? Do you think I'm afraid of you? Do you think I'm afraid of you? Mama, this idiot went to my bag and stole my lipstick and eyeshadow, and she's here claiming what I don't know. Which one is warn me? Eh? Who is warning me here?
Abigail,
huh?
Do you have her lipstick and eyeshadow? Kinyea.
Do you have it?
Mama, I have it.
Give it to her now.
Mama, I will not bring it out.
Why?
I will not bring it. Nena, do your worst. I said do your worst. Mama, this stupid girl, she had the guts to insult me just because of ordinary eyeshadow and lipstick.
Anya gana wakwara na property mad. Get a chakasi anya. Anya gana ibonyori give her property.
Not that I cannot afford it, just that I don't want to buy my own now.
Then I'm warning you. Come on, give me my thing.
Who
are you warning?
Nena, leave my room.
I bet you said that.
Okay, the juice. You can go take.
Hey, Roma. Huh? You said you needed money from your salary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's alright. I will give you 7,000 naira before I leave tomorrow morning. And you get the balance once I'm back.
I have no problem at all. That one you won't give me now, so I get over. You can go. Thank you, ma. Roma, ma. Sorry.
I want to ask you for a favor. Can you do that for me? I promise to pay you handsomely once I'm back from the States.
Madam, no. You don't need to pay me for anything, no, madam. I feel my person for your matter. That's how I like you rich. You don't need to pay me.
This girl, you will not kill me. Roma, you're not killing anybody here, okay? I will be traveling first thing in the morning, and I want you to keep an eye on my husband.
You know that?
Yes, your boss. The moment you notice him bringing any woman into this house, just call me.
I'll call you.
You should call me. I said you should call me.
Yes.
Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Once I'm back from the States, I will pay you handsomely well. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thanks, Oga.
Roma, I said yes. You can go now. Go.
Any work she see, she go do am go. As far as the money go come, to put to food for table. She say what man do, woman can do. What man do.
Who is here? Akwadi, your love is here. Oh. My love.
Ogonodu. Emeka, what are you doing here?
My love, please. I come in peace. Please, my love, can we sit and discuss this matter? I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is going on. What is the problem? It's me or Emeka.
Have you finished?
My love. It's me. Remember the way we play under the mango tree, the way we run around in this field. I still love you.
Thank God you said it's you and it was then. It cannot happen again. The gap is way too much. It cannot work again. I am no longer in the same level with you. Because all I'm begging, Jimmy, you love me.
I love you so much.
You love me?
Yes.
Please do me a favor, my love.
Okay, anything. Anything I will do it for you. Please, just tell me. Anything, no matter what, I will do it for you. Just speak. Speak.
Leave and never return. Makamiroko, leave.
That one is impossible now. I cannot do that one. Please now, consider me now. Consider me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm begging you since how many months now? You don't want to listen to me. Is it my fault that I'm poor?
You kill me, my love. I'm still here. I'm still in your house. Keep that one like that.
Opportunity. Come on for you, you know make me vex. I don't want you to try this thing. I don't want you. Should be you know they hear.
You just use your judge mind.
Come on for you, come on for here.
Nina, calm down. I understand why you're angry. But you have to calm down. I'm begging you. We're all one, remember?
Which one? Which one? You people have decided to be on your own. So leave me alone. You people should continue with your runs. I watch also. I gotta go mines.
Calm down, Okwano. Calm down. Okay, I know your problem. Don't worry. There's a new deal in town. I will fix you in.
I'm not interested, Ako. Please, let me go.
Wait now, come back. Why diverse like this? Now why are you so paranoid? I'm talking to you. Are you not my friend again? You don't want to listen to me.
Why are you begging her? Let her go if she's not interested.
Ako, did you hear your friend?
Hey, did you just hear her? She didn't mean it. Chalo, no. Hey, Kansije, please calm down, eh? Please, I will fix you in.
Ogini, what is it? Why you gonna beg small picking like this? Now what kind of rubbish is this? Let her go.
Abigail. Nyanyanyo, Akuya. I don't blame you.
Oh, both of you should stop this now. Eh, I stop this. Eh?
Nena, if you talk back at me again, trust me now. Try me. It has not gotten to that.
Wait. Abigail, you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. You know that?
Aku, warn this girl. Warn this girl. If not, I will give her a brain formatting slap right now.
You will do what? Listen, that you are my elder sister should not make you think I'm afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. You know, I am not afraid of you. Never afraid of you.
Nena, don't dare me. Don't.
You should stop. Oh, if you fight,
if I dare you, what will happen? Village waka. Gingeme. Gingeme.
No, wait, don't fight, oh. Don't fight, oh.
What did you just say?
Tell your friend to pick up.
Nena, I am asking you, what did you just say?
She's pushing you.
It's okay, now don't fight, oh.
Abigail.
Nena, what did you just say? Say it again.
Abigail.
No, don't fight now. Don't fight. Oh! Oh my God! Stop!
Abby, what is it? Calm down now, oh. Miko, please forgive me, yeah? Oh, I'm very sorry.
See, I do not need any disturbance now. Do you understand?
I know, but please, just forgive me, oh? I'm very sorry. Just tell me that you've forgiven me. I will let you be. You know, go. Oh? I want to go with you guys tomorrow.
Okay, you're forgiven.
My sister, thank you. Oh, thank you.
So you wanted to come and reform me?
Oh, I wanted you to beg me now. I'm your sister, I'm your younger sister. It's not everything I do you be putting your eyes on. Sometimes I want you to bet me. What time are we going tomorrow?
Okay. Before I tell you the time, bring down your hand.
Oh, somebody cannot play with you.
I'm your elder sister. Bring it down. Sit for 10 a.m.
What are you going to tell Mama now? Where will you tell her we're going to?
That was not a problem. We will tell her we are going to the city for our school picnic.
Making sense of
Confirm, yeah.
Akwadi, Mama, I'm asking you, where are you going to?
Mama, how many times will you ask me this question? I told you before that today is our picnic in school. That is where I'm going.
Akwadi. Akaranti monog. Tebu PC. Penanti Surula. Did you tell your father you're going to picnic?
I was going to do that, but when I entered his room, I found out he already left. Please. What is it?
Which picnic? See, Aku, tell your people where you are going, oh. Money rituals everywhere. Now you are going to the city. Have you heard that boys in the city, they now use women's underwear for money rituals?
What are you saying, Obiora? It is your own underwear that we use for ritual. What kind of nonsense talk is that?
Akwadi. Mama. Did you hear what your brother said?
He's not making sense. He's not making sense. What is he talking?
How would you know? How would you know? Huh? See, nobody should come here. I will not come and...
Will happen. Who taught you this promiscuity, Akwadi?
Asa mama.
I didn't train you like that. You didn't make onye saccharin biugu. You can't stay one place.
Mama, you should be the one to tell us if you use saccharin or not. Please don't tell me that. Oh, I'm going. Nobody should call you.
Mama, tell her. If anything happens to her in the city, I'm not going to come out. Akwadi.
Obiora one. He can't go on one. Every time Akwadi will keep perambulating, migrating like a bird. Konye taroko okoko. Pium.
Mama, I'm saying, Mama, see, you don't even know the daughter you have when you give birth to. You don't even know that she's doing opio. Ronsge?
Yeah?
Yes, pay as you go. That is what she's doing in the city. Oh. Tell her to come back. If anything happens to her, nobody should come here.
Mama,
Monkey go go market one day. You not go come back. Oh.
My son, don't worry. Don't worry.
All right. Okay. Oh. You're going up and be jumping for one, be doing bakayoko, doing threesome, doing everything. Bring this one. No. You go to the city, you do bakayoko, you do pay as you go, you do everything, play, opio. You think I don't know? You come back with small money, you'll be buying it. All right.
How do I look?
You know now you look successful.
Thank you.
Check me out. How do I look?
Hey,
Babe, how do we get there? Has he sent the address?
He has sent it now. It's in my phone. So once we enter the bus, I'll copy it out.
Babes, see ya. When we get there, let us try to behave ourselves. Let's package well, you understand now? So that they will not see us like all these village girls. Huh?
You are very right, you know. Now why I say we needed to upgrade ourselves.
And we have upgraded. So once we land, come on, 3 wise girls and go down.
I'm telling you.
From the village to the city, Esieba, Etinyeba, Ifano, Pium.
Uriama. I'll be expecting some visitors this evening.
Oh, okay, sir.
Good. So you take this money. As you go to the market, buy more things to prepare meal for us.
Game over. Sir, I'm going to prepare very good meal. Maybe say once they eat them, everybody will sit down. Nobody will go out again, sir.
Please, don't cook the one that will make them stay. Cook the one that after eating they will be happy and go home.
Yes, sir. You understand what I mean by that? You understand me, sir?
You're a very funny guy.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay.
Bye-bye, sir.
Look after the house.
Bye-bye, sir.
Good morning.
Oriako, how are you?
I am fine. I am on my way to your house.
Is anything the matter?
Yeah, it's about that land under that baka tree.
What about it? I think I have settled the matter of that land with you and your children.
I know. I know you have settled it, but I said, since I have cleared it already, let me farm on it. Let the money I pay the laborers not go to waste.
Let me ask you a question. Did you inform me before you entered that land?
Since I have cleared it, I pay the laborers a huge sum of money. After this season, you can take it back.
That has not answered my question. Did you inform me?
No, I did not inform you.
Good. Good. You see, you have other pieces of land you are farming on. Continue with them. Until I will decide to share the family land. But as for that one other Okpaka tree, nobody goes there. I am not ready to share it with anybody. It is my property now.
And I am begging you. I am begging you. You know I pay the laborers and it's a heavy amount of money. I want it to go to waste. Let me farm on that land. After this season, you can take it back. I'm not here to argue with you. We go.
Well, as you can see, I'm on my way somewhere. I will think about it.
It's just for peace to reign. Because I know he's lying. He's not telling the truth. God, you go do.
Mariako.
Daddy, welcome.
Thank you. I was knocking at the front door, but no one answered me.
Sorry, the children are out.
I see. I see. As a matter of fact, I am just coming back from where I went in the morning, and I decided to come and see you. Yes.
Let me get seats for you.
Thank you very much. Hey.
So what will I offer you?
Thank you very much.
Can I do so? What me fancy in the
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry.
Don't worry. I cook too.
Don't bother about all that. As a matter of fact, I am just coming back from where I went in the morning. And I decided let me come and see you concerning what you told me in the morning. Yes. You see, Oriako, you are the one who is making things difficult for yourself. I have decided to grant your request. Yes. You can now go and farm on that land.
Hey.
Not only that.
Thank you.
I am ready to let you. I am ready to give it to you. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Hey.
Oriako. You see, you and I are not supposed to be having problems as long as you cooperate with me. You are my late brother's wife, and I am supposed to be taking care of you.
Hey, I am happy you realize that. Hey, you're not talking like an elder in the family. Thank you. Oh, God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, no.
That should be on your condition. You see, the death of my late brother has created a gap in your life. And I want to fill that gap for you. To make you feel like a real woman once again.
Obiade, what are you talking about? What gap are you talking about?
You see, Oriako, there's nothing confusing about what I just said. You see, the death of my brother has led to your loneliness all this while, and it's not good for a young woman like you, especially when you have someone like me around you.
What are you trying to do?
Oriako, you are not a kid. Stop behaving like one. You are my wife, and I'm ready to do anything for you to make life good for you. Provided, you see, let me have eternal knowledge of you.
Are you saying?
If you come with the look at this man. He buy leprosy in our own. Hey! Okanu, are you chasing me out of your house? If you call my name again, I will kill you. Don't you ever come to this house again to call my name. Get out. Are you chasing me out of the house? I better get out. Hey. Get out. Get out. Look at you, man. Hey!
For nowadays, you they're not taking ready for house, from the village to the city. See if I know.
It's late though. It's late. I don't understand. I'm tired. My back is paining me already.
They're not they keep ready for house, it's in your back, every day. So I go my I pass you go on a new pool. If you go here, need them, Madonna. Oh, yeah, not go one way. Children of nowadays, they know they keep ready for house, from the village to the city. See if I know. Children of nowadays, they know they keep ready for house. Every day if I know that they are
Ben, what's the matter? Chief, I want to tell this straight. I hope you are not insinuating that we are going to take those girls to your house. Of course we are going to your house. Is there any problem? Why? I mean, this hotel is fine. The rooms are excellent. Everything is okay here. Why should we take them to your house? Then rooms in my house, they are far more better than any room you can think of. Maybe hotel in the country. I mean, I don't know why you're worried. Besides, my wife is not in town. Why are you scared? Why are you panicking? Chief, it's not saying I'm panicking. All I'm saying is that then you worry about. Okay, let's go back to the base and do okay. If you say so, no problem. See, well, nothing really. Let's go back to the base. You're a bad guy. No, but those guys are cute, man. Come on, man.
Children of nowadays, they know they keep ready for house, from the village to the city. See if I know. Children of nowadays, they know they keep ready for house, it's in your back, every day. If I know that they are so I go my I pass you go on a new pool. If you go here, need them, Madonna. Oh, yeah, not go one way. Children of nowadays, they know they keep ready for house, from the village to the city. See if I know. Children of nowadays, they know they keep ready for house, it's in your back, every day. If I know that.
Sorry, sir.
Why are you sleeping in the kitchen?
Yeah, I just chopped finished. Now sleep carrying, sir. Sorry about that, sir.
Anyway, take 4 bottles of water.
Yes, sir.
To the living room.
Yes, sir.
Then get our dinner set. My visitors are here.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Be fast about it.
Yes, sir.
Any work she see, she go do am. As far as the money go, to put food for table.
It's not slept too deep. Don't sleep. When this marriage, the visitors are here. I have to change my clothes. They give them water.
Chop it down, no game over. When I do my
Chief. Tony, you can see your room has air conditioning. It's super. It's comfortable. Everything there is working. Ben, let me show you your own room.
Well, Chief, nice place we have. But you see, I'm still not comfortable with the idea of bringing these girls to your place.
You see, I have told him. I've told him, but he insisted we must come here. I'm not comfortable at all. I don't know why you guys are worried over nothing. I told you my wife traveled out of state, so we have everywhere to ourselves.
Chief, your wife may have traveled to the state, but you see, that doesn't make any sense at all. Remember you told us you have a housemaid. Now tell me, what if she tells you when she comes back?
Oh, she's not that kind of person. Forget that. Chief, you are making a big mistake. Honestly. Well, if you insist, but what are they doing in the living room right now? At least we should be going to our rooms to enjoy ourselves, you know? No. I want us, all of us, to eat together. Then, I've even asked my maid to prepare us food.
Chief? Hey, did you hear that? Anyway, Chief, you see, I'm only concerned about your marriage. Of course, we all know the kind of woman you married. Right then?
Yourself. Relax, let's go and enjoy ourselves. Let me take it to your room. Chief, let's go and
Hi! Look at Munyenko. Money is good. Look at this house. Look at how beautiful it is. Hey! Chief is very rich. Rich! Now that area, we go to table. Hey! Where did they go to? They just suddenly disappeared like that. Are you people sure that we are safe here? You are balancing. Oh, John. We are safe. Why did he even bring us here in the first place? Is he not supposed to take us to the hotel? Did you not say he's married? He is giving us presidential treats. Of course he's a married man. Did you not see the picture with him and his wife? He wants to treat us well. That is why he brought us here. There's such a poor man. And what's it that the wife is late? She's not late. But maybe she traveled. Man, I know we're going now. Oh my God, this house is so fire. Where is this nonsense house here and the water now? Eh? Ha!
tell una say place like city dey. How una take reach here? How una take enter inside this house? Eh? In fact, you wanna keep mama? Eh? Hey! 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 How big here? Hey! 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 Hey!
Is anything the matter?
No, not at all. Everything is very fine. Very, very fine.
Good, man. What are these bottled water doing on the floor? Come on, will you pick them up and serve my guest? Huh? I said pick up these things and serve my guest. Are you crazy? I said serve my guest, water.
Yes, water, sir.
Serve my guest water. Yeah. Okay.
Ben,
yeah.
Let me help her.
Chief.
Yes, then.
You need to give serve my guest water. I said serve my guest water. What's wrong with you? So, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy yourselves. Relax, eh? What are you still waiting for? Who your man? Or to serve my guest dinner?
I'm thinking.
Chief, what is wrong with her? Don't mind her. At times she behaves this way. Go and serve them dinner. That's what I said. Yeah. So let's just have you enjoy yourself.
I don't understand what did happen. How Oga take know my sisters and Akko? How Oga take know Akudi? Hey? I don't see well. I can go back to look again. Now my sisters and Akudi I see now. Hey!
I will be traveling first thing in the morning, and I want you to keep an eye on my husband.
Minoga?
Yes, your boss. The moment you notice him bringing any woman into this house, just call me.
I'll call you. You should call me. I said you should call me.
Yes.
Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am. Once I'm back from the States, I will pay you handsomely well. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. You can go.
Now it's not going to do with this. So now, madam, they want me about make I put my eye down. What do I want to do now? Eh? Game over. Madam, then they call me so. What's our talk? Hello, ma. I'm fine, ma. Oga? Oga is very fine, ma. We are very fine. Are they inside kitchen, ma? Yes, ma. that big voice at the hear inside that place. So now we think carry my sisters and I could come here with that. Chief don't share them to your friends. You take this one, you take that one. What am I do now? Don't you go scatter the place? What am I do now? Eh? Let me cause her. I was spoiling everything the first time I see them. This chief now body. Chief or body. This chief. Kill and chop. Oh yeah. Hey. Where is he? Maybe he's sleeping, but I'll wake him. Come on, open the gate for us. Huh? You said? Open the gates now.
How?
What do you mean how?
Who Nabi? We came back with Chief and his friends last night. Yeah. We want to go now. Just open it.
You came back with Chief? What kind of stupid talk is that? Open this gate, let's go. Did you not see us last night with Chief? Did you not?
With Chief?
Uh-huh.
Now you open eye for me.
Hi, what kind of nonsense?
I open gate for Chief as he entered. I don't know, but Okuna, come back with them. Oga, listen, don't be unfortunate. Open this gate now. Let's go.
Let's move. What is wrong with you?
Excuse me, this is what I do. Open this gate. Don't be unfortunate. Are you sure you guys are not up to? I'm suspecting you guys.
This man is making me angry. Huh? This man is making me angry this morning. Listen, if you do not open this gate right now, I will go right in there and tell Chief what you have done. And believe you me, he will sack you. I mean it. Yes, I mean it. Don't tell me to be easy. Let me open this gate and let's leave this place. What kind of nonsense is this?
You are playing with me, old soldier, 7-star general. Chief know who I am before he put me into this gate. He positioned me to be on guard. Rufo, on guard. I'm on guard. Oga, please, I beg you, open the gate for us. We are late already. Oga, please. I want to open it. I'm begging you,
You're walking the buzzer.
This one where she dey shout. See, make I tell you, I no be me that they shout for. No be me that they shout for. And I lie. When I don't enter for night, I don't know, and I know my chief. He say, hey, one thing, you know, Rufa.
What are you doing? You're giving him money.
Just take it. We don't want to miss our person.
Abi? No, you will not meet your boss. Wait, go break it. If no, we say that you say, why you
Go!
I'm sure you know the money you gave me is not part of our money. Calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I hope it's not part of our money.
You know what you think? This one I get fee. You don't collect from fee. At least you need to rotate me now. You're dead, oh, is there?
Uriyama no the tire, Uriyama no the doll, Uriyama no the tire. Any work she see, she go do and go. As far as the money go come, to put your food for table. She say, what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do. Any work.
Why are you sleeping here?
Sir.
Sir? I said, why are you sleeping here?
No, sir. I'm not sleeping. I just stay, make I sit down, I ain't sleep carrying. I no sleep here, sir.
You no sleep here? And I sleep carry you? What type of nonsense answer is that?
Sorry about that, sir.
Get me a cup of coffee and bring it to my room immediately. You can go back. Get me coffee.
Rufus! Eh? Ha! Urioma! Rufus! I thought I said today, my blessed day. God don't bless me today. Rufus! Good morning. I thought I said this God did my miracle day. I thought I said today God don't remember me. Rufus, I say good morning, you laugh. What's in there funny? Now they say to Nari Togo, he never did. Some girls just come out from that gate. Now. They roger me 5 days. See if I take nobody. Now you, Urioma of all people, now you stand here now they tell me good morning. Rufus, good morning. Which guy give you 500 naira? Those 500 now. They don't come on. Yeah, you don't see them. Those 500 just leave now. What them they? They don't come on. You see, make I tell you, those guys say you need to fear them. You need to fear them. As I see them, I know say I can't suspect them. I know say they are up to something. If you say I want to take rush me, say make I go open that gate for her. Open that gate for her. I look at them and say, hey you, I no go fit. You go fit to garage for my own position. That's how I look fit. Nothing go make me open now. You walk on, look me, come enter my mind. Let's see if you understand. Then she put her inside her handbag. Come give me 5 hits. Hey, how many them? Tell you, there are 3 girls. See, one of them, if you see her eyes, her eyelashes, that's what it is for eye. That's what the thing. If you see her eye, that's what I want to rush me. Say, come on, put it for me now. Oh, I go back and tell your master.
Where are they now?
So this is why they talk. You don't understand. I said you don't come on. Eh? Hey, get me. They roger me. Hey, I found a last sleep carry me go. I found a last sleep catch me yo. Any problem? Did they steal anything? Huh? You don't talk to me now. I thought I'm saying these girls, they are up to something. I thought I said they are up to something. I said they do
Say that girl is up to something.
Children of nowadays, yo. They know they keep heading for house, yo. From the village to the city, see if I know. Children of nowadays, they know they keep heading for house, yo.
Mama.
Hey, who was that?
Mama, your daughter now. CHUKWU, she's back.
Where is she?
She's inside. She has gone inside.
Kedu ho na akọ onye asịrị? Kedu nke na asị? Okay, forget. Ị ga-abụrụ ọgwụ gị nwa n'ebe a. You have to respect yourself, oh. When I got bro, it's in Ifenko. In Ifensi. It's Mua. Anapola, you are the one that is very, very mad. See, you have to respect yourself, oh. Not because you are grown and you have beard. You have this artificial beard. You think you can talk to me anyhow?
What is that? Is something wrong with you?
Are you something they do?
Is your name CHUKWU? Did I mention your name?
Meeting space for you in this house. You just came in now. You started making trouble with your brother. Mama, why
do you hate me so much? For crying out loud, this boy here is my junior brother. He shouldn't be talking to me anyhow. And you're supporting him. If he tries it again, I will humble him. I will humble him. Now, in Apola.
What did I say? When I said CHUKWU, did I mention your name? Did I mention your name when I said okay, wait. Now, if I say Opio, does it mean I'm calling your name?
You're a fool. You're a big fool.
Is your name Opio?
You're a big fool. Get me down. Hey, open on me. You carry me off. 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 Stop. Hey! Come on, let me go. Come on. Let me hear you coming into this house again.
Opio is Opio. See, okay now.
Press open. Sit down. What do you say? What do you want?
I know what you're doing in the city. Baka, you go.
Let me not hear your voice again. Let me finish what. Let me not just hear your voice again.
Happy. He's still like Nollywood film to me. I couldn't believe my eyes. For a second, I thought I was seeing a ghost. Sister really surprised me. And to think she has been lying to us that she's working in the city. My sister? Ordinary housemaid. Common housemaid. Hey. Can you imagine? See, I have this feeling that the reason why she slept in the living room was to monitor us. You don't know. She almost spoiled our job. Thank God we were just lucky. But Mama will really cry if we tell her what sister is actually doing in the city.
Hi, do you see your sister in the city?
No, Mama, we do not.
But I heard you say something about her. What is she actually doing in the city?
We don't know, Mama. You did not see her. Did you see her?
she was eavesdropping on our conversation.
No, I don't think so. She didn't hear anything.
Hey! But sister will be surprised about how we left the house.
See, my fear now is that she might tell Mama everything. You know your sister now with her.
Hey. It's true. What do we do now? What do we tell Mama?
Nothing for now. Let us wait till she speaks. Then we'll have no option than to defend ourselves.
Abio.
Tell me why God no go bless Madam. Tell me why Madam no have the goods come back to bless people.
Don't give you all this money.
Now Madam, you know say I don't know say Madam get eating ass. Who be very good.
Madam give you all this money.
Yes, now Madam, before you just say no can give me this card. Oga no get money. Oga no get one naira. Oga no get heart with the top money. Oga no be very good. God may she bless you. You just see what I did is showing. Hey.
Urioma, ma, can you remind me what I told you a night before I traveled?
Yes. See me, we can watch your girl. Carry woman come. Give me my
And what did you do?
You know carry woman.
You know?
I only him sleep.
What did you just say? Urioma, why did you choose to pay me back like this? Why did you lie to me? You didn't lie to me? Urioma, why? I picked you from the gutter. I brought you into this house and I keep treating you like my own friend, like my own sister, and this is how you choose to pay me back.
With my body, I feel down on top of your matter.
Why? Do you think I don't know that my husband came into this house with 3 girls? You think I don't know? Roma, you think I don't know? Roma, why? After all I've done for you, why? And Rufus opened up to tell me, he called me, but you, my friend and my sister, could not call me on the phone.
I don't know how to tell you.
Each time that I place on call on you, you keep telling me you don't have airtime to call back.
You know, say you think person dey fit the person why? Me no go scatter house. House I think say make I no go scatter. I don't know how to take talk. You understand me, ma? You just calculate and say person wey get sense. Not supposed to tell ma.
Will you shut up your mouth? Do you have sense? Tell me you have sense. No problem. You are not planning to bring in women into my house with my husband, right?
I guess wait. Ma, no, I want to tell you.
You know what? Just go in there, pack all your things. You're leaving my house this moment. You think I'm joking?
They're going to make noise 3.
What is this? Do you think that this place is your mechanic workshop? Will you get inside, pack all your things and leave my house? Okay, you want me to force you?
No, I won't tell you the truth. I carry 3 girls. Come 3 girls, then you carry come here.
Look, I said you should leave my house. You think I'm joking? What's wrong with you? Get out! Get out! 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 Hey God! Oh! I said get out! Get out! You should still there. Get out of here.
Wait. Ijoma, are you sure of what you told me? Auntie Amara, I am very sure of what I told you. If I am not sure, I won't be here. I'm very sure. I know why I am saying this so. I know why. Auntie, I saw them with my 2 eyes. I saw them. See, we need to hurry up before they leave the place. This girl again. What do I want to village here? I'll keep petting no.
Rufus! Rufus!
Okay.
Where is Urioma?
Urioma, she don't go since now.
Who asked her to go?
I don't know. The thing say I see her own money. That's why she carry bag.
I did.
Why?
Can I have my car key?
Rosemary, what is going on?
I said, can I have my car key? I have had enough of your insults and excesses in this house. From henceforth, you have to start staying idle again.
Rosemary, who upset you? Who annoyed you? What is going on?
You are an ingrate. Obanya, I built this house out of my own sweat. I travel from state to state, from country to country, just to put food on your table. And this is how you will pay me back. By bringing in women into my house.
Who is telling
you?
Will you
shut up your mouth and give me my car key? Now. Obanya, I say you should give me my car key. And the office key.
You are a
pig. Look at you. I cleaned you up. I made you the MD of my company. I gave you everything you want. I bought a car for you. After everything I did in your father's house, you have the gut to insult me, bringing in sluts into my house. Let me have the office key. Now. First, give it to me. And you.
Don't worry. Rosemary, I don't understand. Broken. What are you doing here? Why will we get out of this place?
Sorry.
That is the place. There. I will wait for you here.
Why do you want to wait here? Are you not coming with me?
No. I don't want her to know I was the one who told you.
No problem. You have done enough for me already, okay? Hey. I will show them Pepe. Me in this village. She don't know who she's messing with.
See, auntie, okay. You need to be very watchful. Because that girl is very smart. She might take off before you see her.
Leave that one to me. Leave that one to me. If they like, let them go anywhere they want. Today, they go see fights, they go run. Don't worry, let me go.
Yes! Akwadi, you've seen nothing in this community. I will keep teaching you lessons till you learn how to mind your business.
I'm gone.
Oh yes.
Ugom, you are the most handsome man in this village. Yes, so. And I love you so much.
Where's your
I love you so much.
You can't say that again. Huh? You know what? Very soon, I'm going to make you the MD of all the girls in this place.
I can't wait.
The world will say where you. Jello keep and nappy courier now. No, keep and nappy courier. We'll go Pelagas. What are you doing here?
Me, Amara, what am I doing here? Look at you, Gonna. So this is what you do, eh? You left home this morning. Ordinarily for the money, you could not give your wife. All you could tell me was that I do not have money. Same
money you do not have, you are here spending it on this rat. Eh?
Amara, please go home. I'm coming.
What? I should go home. Yes, you are coming. Hey! If you don't make it, eh? If you don't make it, eh? Okay, me now, Barora. To fear, you are not even ashamed of yourself. And you, Akwadi or whatever they call you. I have heard stories about you and married men. So now, it is my husband. Eh? You are my husband, okay? But let me tell you this to your face. I will never allow this to happen. Not when I am still alive. Yes!
When your mad wife, she don't hear me.
Don't fight me out. Not near you. No, not near you. Leave me. I will deal with you. Look at you. Me, Amara. What you know this person out this village here?
Good afternoon.
I'm here to see your parents.
Mama! Mama! Oh!
Welcome.
Good afternoon, Akwadi.
Good afternoon. Welcome, man.
Please, I'm here to see you and your husband.
Oh, my husband. That's my husband coming.
Ibo.
Man.
What is going on here?
She just told me now that she wants to see us.
Sit down.
Nai. Nai. Please. It's your daughter Akwadi. My knees are on the ground. Please. Let her leave my husband alone. It's all I have got to. Please. Let her leave my husband alone. Oh. I know why I'm saying this. Oh. Biko what?
I said it.
Now what is it?
Okay. Your daughter Akwadi has been having an affair with my husband. Yes! Just this afternoon. I saw both of them. You know this primary school? You know this child before the primary school? Yes. Akwadi, your daughter was drinking with my husband.
Wait. You mean my daughter, my only daughter, Akwadi, drinking with your husband in a chalet?
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. Okay, not just that too. I even saw them holding each other as in very close. Hey.
Hello. Hey. Papa, Aku in a chalet.
Are you sure it's my daughter that you saw?
You know what? I have delivered my message. Just hold your daughter. Tell her to leave my husband. If I ever see her close my husband again, what I will do to her in this village, she will not believe it. I will so do something bad to her. One how. Boy, I can't see. I'm up a
Piano, please. It hasn't gone to that extent.
Mama, what is it? Why are you calling her back? Leave her alone. Why are you calling her back?
Do you want her to start fighting?
Mama, stop. Sorry. Thank God her little secret is coming out little by little. When I told you people Aku is Opio, nobody believes me. When I told you she got to town to the city and said Beku, she's Beku seller, nobody believes me. Don't worry, very soon so many people will come here to tell you her past. The things she has done in the past that you people didn't know. People will still come here and tell you. Nobody believes me when I told people. Right? I told you people that my sister is the queen of Bakayoko. think people believe me. No, but look at it now. She's in the chalet drinking Gouda.
I are going inside now. Eh? Where you dey go? Sister, we no dey go anywhere. Or you go inside now. No, where you dey go?
No. On a serious note, this thing where they do no good. It's against human rights now. We still have freedom of movement. What is this now?
Barrister. Do what you want to do now. Do what you want to do. Go inside. I don't come back to this village. I don't come for 12 now. Go inside. Go inside. Freedom of movement. Road safety. Go inside. You need to go anywhere. Go inside. I tell you now.
Sister, make I tell you. No be say we don't know what to do. Now respect to just the respect.
Do what you want to do now. Do what you want to do. You don't do what you want to do again. Where you want to go? Nowhere. Oh, you go inside. Where you want to go? I don't come back now. Do what you want to do.
Children are for nowadays.